How's it going, everybody? My name is Daniel Christmas. I'm back, baby. Uh, Sorry about that. I've been sort of under the weather, and I still am. I'm probably forever going to be under the weather. Today we are doing a massive cable management job. Look at this.
Oh yeah, you see that? That's the stair room.
Also got to clean out the area. Got to put these back. I got this Mighty Swiffer duster to clean all of that up. Got to clean up all that crap off. Can of air. What else do I got? I got some zip ties. I got these suckers, which are cable tie mounts with adhesive backs. They Velcro ties. And where is it? Here it is. So basically, those get mounted on the surface of the glass. They have like little itty bitty holes right in there. Can't tell, but you can put a zip tie right through it. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Come on. Come on. So the zip tie goes through it, and then you can do a loop, and then do cable loops. And this is great for glass desks, which this is focus.
Look at that nasty dust. That's disgusting.
And disturbing. But yeah. Should be getting that cleaned up, getting the underside done. My goal is to not have any cables showing at all, which is going to be hard, since this desk is literally about the thickness of an iPhone 5. So that's going to be hard to do. Anyways, I'm going to get to work and do a time lapse, do a few updates, and yeah. Let's get to this. I think I missed a spot. But yeah, the glass is looking much cleaner. It's looking like actual glass. It's looking nice. Since it's going to just continue drying, I'm probably just going to start working underneath. And then just work on the top stuff later. After it's done drying, and then redust it and make sure it's clean after that. Do a final wipe down. And then I still got all this other crap to fix. I was just watching some Family Guy while I did this. But yeah, this is pretty bad. Here, I put this on a tripod so I can work and do this, but LED strips are actually starting to fall off. As you can see there. And wow, serious camera flicker with this. Sorry for the flickering. But yeah, there's a bunch of cables over here. And Mustafar is covered in dust. And it's pretty bad. But that's, yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and see what I can do. I'm not gonna time lapse this at all because that's just a waste of battery. So yeah, I will just come back and, you know, like when I'm done. So yeah. Alright, and I'm back. It's the few days later, actually. Completely done. I just gotta, you know, move some things like this. Just got a brand new mouse. It's right there. Love it. Um, Other than that, everything is completely done. Looks great. And just got a few things to do after that. And so yeah, everything's ready to go for the, I guess, the next wave of YouTube videos I'm going to put out. Don't know when that's going to be, but I got plenty of things to do and things to work on. Like this thing, this lovely mouse. Wonderful mouse, actually. But yeah. So, thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up down below. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.